Unofficial identity slips in state legislative council election. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to define unofficial identity slips, understand the protocols to be followed in printing of unofficial identity slips. What are unofficial identity slips? Unofficial identity slips are those slips which are issued by the political parties or the candidates to the electors with a name to inform them about date and place of polling and helping them in identifying the serial number of their name in an electoral roll. The identity slip should be on the white paper and should not contain the name of the candidate and or the name of his political party or its symbol. The slip should not contain any slogans or any exhortation to vote for a party or for a candidate, since these would amount to canvassing within the polling station. The circulation of any slip containing any such slogan or exhortation within 100 meters of the polling station would amount to canvassing, which is an electoral offence. The format of the unofficial identity slips is shown on the screen. In this educational video, we have learned about the unofficial identity slips. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.